Welcome to another camera channel. Today, we're talking about teleprompters. I'm sure most of you already know what a teleprompter is, or at least have heard of them before, but if you haven't, they can look something like this, and they're used a lot on network television talk shows and productions like the news.
Well, that's going to do it for all of us here at Channel 4 News. You stay classy, San Diego. I'm Ron Burgundy.
Damn it! Who typed a question mark on the teleprompter?
As you can see from that clip, it's a great way of either conveying message to the person in front of the camera or displaying a script so they can speak continuously without looking away from the lens. It allows them to maintain eye contact with the viewer. It works by having a special mirror-type piece of glass which reflects what is shown on a screen usually placed below the mirror, while a camera sits behind the glass and shoots through it. It's kind of like a one-way mirror. The reason why we can't see the camera behind the glass is because it's in a darker environment. On this model of teleprompter, there's this fabric-style hood which goes over the lens or the body of the camera. Because of the angle of the glass, we can see the screen, but the camera can't. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. The real nice teleprompter systems on those big budget shows are really expensive though, but the one I have here in my hands is only around $160 without the screen or the camera. In fact, these models are more suited for iPads and things like that. There are also ones which are super small like this and attaches to the front of your lens and works with smartphones. The way you display your script is by using teleprompter apps, and there's a bunch of free ones online. This mini teleprompter came with its own remote, and the company Parrot has their own app. So that's one use for a teleprompter, reading script. But if I only talked about that, that would be a boring video. So I'm going to introduce a couple of other uses which may inspire you to purchase one. Number 1. A digital mirror. I'm sure you've noticed that if you can't see yourself, you may forget to look your best. Like if you've ever been filmed without knowing, you may be too relaxed or have like a resting bitch face kind of thing going on. But when you look in a mirror, you change your expression and how you hold yourself. You instantly look better. Well, that's what we're kind of doing here. By using an HDMI screen or an app on your phone which connects to your camera and can display the live view of the camera, then you can look at yourself while you film. If you get the alignment right, you can effectively look yourself in the eyes and speak to the camera. You'll have more energy and you'll look your best because you have the instant feedback of how you look. Not sitting up straight enough? Fixed instantly. Resting bitch face? Gone forever. You can thank me in the comments. Number 2, show a second angle. So this is kind of similar to the first one, but with a twist. If you are using 2 cameras, now you can display a second angle in front of your lens of your primary camera. So whether it be an alternative angle of your face, or if you were reviewing a product, it could be a close-up shot of your hands, or maybe a top-down view of the table, so you can move things around or pick things up without losing eye contact. Or maybe you're a beauty YouTuber and you want to apply that makeup without turning your head to use a real mirror. That could be a good workaround. The possibilities are not endless, but there's a lot. Number 3, displaying something else to look at. You don't have to stick with scripts, and you can display anything you want on there. It could be a video you're reacting to, so you don't miss any of the action. You could be doing a teleconference or a Skype call with someone, and you want to be able to look at them and still be able to talk to the camera. It could be a countdown clock, so you know how long you've got until a certain time limit. You'll probably be able to think of other uses that would suit your needs. Number 4, a second focal length. We're not just limited to screens here. Oh no. If you're lucky enough to have 2 cameras, you can stack them like this so you have 2 focal lengths from the same viewpoint. Usually you'd probably have to just crop or zoom in on your footage to reframe the shot as a close-up. But by using the teleprompter's mirror-like glass, you can use a different focal length while still using the same eye line, and without losing any quality from cropping in digitally. You'll have to flip the footage around to get it right and color correct it to match, but you could be jumping from a 40mm to an 80mm using the same delivery of the line by doing this. So that's the 4 alternative uses of a teleprompter that I could come up with. If you have any more, let's help the community out by leaving a comment below. I'd personally love to hear if there are any more that I haven't thought of yet. And if you're thinking of purchasing a teleprompter because of this video and you want to help support the channel, there will be some Amazon affiliate links in the description. And also let me know in the comments if any of these reasons inspired you to get one yourself. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, which I hope you did because some of these ideas are kind of out of the box, then please drop a like on this video. And if you want to stick around for more content like this, all you got to do is subscribe and turn on that bell icon so you'll never miss out. And if you need a studio in Seoul, South Korea, check out our studio Instagram @there4you.